Good morning, friends. Salam.
Good morning.
Yuva Shokar. Okay, friends. Welcome you all for this morning meditation session. And I appreciated your dedication towards your transformation. So waking up in the early morning, it's very challenging, but still you're putting your efforts to join the session. So friends, every day we are here to learn something, to learn some information about us, about our life, about our thoughts, about our soul. So we are here to learn every day. We are here to learn how to think, how to talk, and how to listen. Just by silencing our mind with your natural breathing. So meditation, it's very easy. Sitting at one place and observing your breath. Just simple, no chanting mantra, no thinking about God, nothing else. Just sitting and observing the breath. So today I'm going to share a few more slides about meditation, mind and energy. Everybody can able to see? Okay. So everybody knows the word yoga. Everybody knows. Yoga is popular now. In every country, everybody, most of the people are practicing yoga. So what really is yoga? So Patanjali Maharshi, 5,000 years back, he mentioned Yoga Sutras, means how to do yoga, which asana, helpful, different postures. Okay? Then he said, yoga means chitta vritti nirodha. Yoga means chitta vritti nirodha. So what is that? Chitta is the entire mind stuff. Okay? Mind, thinking. Vritti is a tendency to distract us by its monkey antics of moving from one thought to the next. Chitta vritti means restless mind. So, the mind continuously thinking, continuously vritti means functioning. Even during your sleep, it's keep on functioning. There is no end for that. So, nirodha. Nirodha means stop. Chitta vritti nirodha means stopping your thoughts, emptying your mind, thoughtless state. So that is called yoga. Yoga means not body fitness. Yoga means not only physical exercises. Yoga means emptying your mind, silencing your mind. Become one with your body, become one with your mind, become one with your soul, and become one with everything in this planet Earth and universe. So that is yoga. That is the real meaning of yoga. That is the essence of yoga. We are all, people are doing all yoga, 1 hour, 2 hour, all the exercises, all postures, then sitting meditation in 5 minutes. No. The purpose of yoga is to go into deeper state of emptiness, to access the God within you, to go into the samadhi where you get all answers for your questions. To go into that state, we have to be practicing meditation. So to sit in meditation hours and hours, the postures of yoga help to sit a longer time, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. People are there to sit in meditation 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, or 20 years in some places. Because they travel into the other dimension. There is no mind. Only mind separates. If you ask me, I say my name is Manoj. If I ask you, you will say your name is so and so. Only this body has a name. Your body has a name and consists of the mind. If there is no mind, no body, what is there? Only the light, the energy. Say, for example, you have in your house some bulb, rounded shape bulb. So what is that shape? If I ask, you say, okay, it's rounded. And another, you have a tube light, a long tube light. So it's a long tube light. How it is look? It's look long and very thin and straight. Okay, this is our mind. So what really coming from there? The rounded shape also light, and the thick longer tube light also light. So that is the difference. Only the light, the mind analysis, mind analyze. You are separate, you are woman, I am man, you are old, you are child, you are this religion, you are that religion. Only mind. So when you separate the mind, when you remove the mind, you and me the same. There is no difference. There is no age. Only we are all one. So that is yoga, that is meditation, friends. Oneness. Oneness. To experience the oneness, you must practice meditation. When you experience the oneness, where are your problems? If everybody is same, you and me the same, where is the problem? Where is the challenges? It disappears when you experience the oneness. Okay. A restless mind wanders around through an incessant flow of thoughts, creating an inner chatter. It doesn't know how to remain the present moment here and now. So the restless mind, it keep on wandering. It's like you have given coded. It's keep on wandering, going here, past, future, again some childhood, again you go, somebody scold you, you bring all. It's keep on chattering. Inner chatter. Even if you're just watching some movie or something, reading something inside, it's going continuously chattering because we didn't try to how our mind should calm. If we could have learned from our childhood, it is easy for us to handle. So inner chatter always there. We don't know how to be in this present moment. Either we're in the past or future. We keep on thinking. So what happens if you're doing like that? The natural restless waves of the mind result in unwanted dissipation of the energy of the soul. So if you keep on thinking, what happens? You lose the energy. That you already, everybody knows. When you keep on thinking as stressful, you're unhappy. You feel tired. You get headache. You get all the pains. You get irritation. You shout. You try to shout somebody because lack of energy. Because overthinking. As I mentioned, light sunlight is already there. Sun is already there. You keep on shining every time. Keep on shining. But the clouds are stopping to receive. The dark clouds. When you are moving the dark clouds, when dark clouds are moving, so you can able to receive that. Similarly, the soul energy is there. You need to take that energy by removing the layers of the mind. I cannot remove your layers of the mind. If it is possible, then everybody living a happy. If God can do that task, then everybody is living happy. But nobody. You have to put your efforts to remove the layers of the mind. This is everyone regular task. You have to stop overthinking first of all. You have to stop negative thinking. Then you can save energy. Keep on thinking, you lose the energy. Our life is our thoughts. Remember, positive thoughts leads to positive way. Negative thoughts leads to negative way. Whatever you are attracting at this moment, present, positive or negative, all from you. Everything from you. You are the reflection of everything. I am the reflection of everything. Okay. So when the soul energy is dissipated, the physical body becomes weak and more susceptible to attract from various external sources, resulting in diseases. 80% diseases are psychosomatic. See, this is the reason. When you don't have soul energy, then you feel sick. Your body is functioning with the soul energy. Soul is the energy, the light. Light is the energy. If there is no soul, you are dead. You're dead. This body is functioning with the soul. And the soul is energy. So you have to feed your soul always. Always you have to. Food for the soul is meditation. Food for your soul is meditation. You have to feed. How much you feed, you become lighter and stronger and brighter. Then everything go away, friends. It's a purification process. You have to practice every day, hours and hours. Then all the negativity comes from you. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Clean, purify. How many years we keep like this? The system. Do some maintenance. Let it go. Release everything from you. All unwanted things. Then why don't your life be beautiful? Then why don't you be happy? If you are purified, it's in your hands. Nobody help you. It's in your hands. Everybody guides you. Everybody guides you how to eat. If you are a kid, the initial days the mother feeds and show you how to eat. But every time mother not feed. You have to feed yourself. Just guiding how to eat. So I'm guiding you too how to meditate. I'm giving some guidance, some guided meditation during meditation. Just sometime you have to practice your own. Just being with your breath. So believe in you. Always believe in you, friends. Okay, so what is meditation? Meditation is emptying the mind of all thoughts. Meditation means emptying mind of all the thoughts. Meditation is letting go. Meditation means letting go. If anything comes during meditation, let it go. Bad thoughts comes, okay, let it go. Don't irritate, don't frustrate. So meditation is detachment from all unnecessary things, unwanted things, addictions. Meditation is a constant practice of mindful of breath. So you're mindful on breath. Meditation is not doing, sitting and closing your eyes. Starting, we are observing the breath. After some time, we are not going to observe anything. Just sitting like this, like a stone. We're not observing anything. We're just seeing, just witnessing. That's all. Meditation is living in the here and now. Living here in this present moment. For every task, whatever you're doing, live there. No diversions. Just be there. You're working, be there. You're cooking, be there. You're bathing, be there. While you're showering, feel the water, how it is flowing. You feel that water. Don't think another office things, another, no. Just feel the water, how it's flowing on you. While brushing, feel, be there, how you are brushing. In this way, you need to train your mind. Every action, be there. Be there. Then it is easy. Okay. So, what meditation is not? Meditation is not intellectual process, sitting and doing some intellectual planning analysis. No, it is different. Meditation is not prayer. Meditation is not worship. We are not going to worship anything here. Meditation is not chanting of mantra. We are not chanting any mantra. Meditation is not mind control. We are not going to control anything here. Just letting go. We are not going to control means again you are suppressing. You're not understanding. You're suppressing. What happens? You have a one mark on the wall. Some black mark. You call the painter and a painter just painted on the black mark. After some days, the paint gone. The black mark is there. So again you called. Again did some painting. Again after some days, it gone. There is no permanent solution. The permanent solution is you have to remove the entire coating, the first what you coated. Then you have to paint again fully. So for removing entire coating, it takes time and you should be patient. And then after you are applying the new coating, it will be beautiful. So always we are looking for temporary solutions. So when you are looking for today I want this, that. Okay, that's no permanent. So then again next day it appears. So look for permanent solution. No control, no suppress. Let it go. Understand. Understand why. Why this is coming. Why the problem is coming to me. Understand it. Why the challenge is coming to me. Why everybody is happy. Why I'm not happy. So you need to understand. No suppression, no control. Meditation is not visualization. It is not visualization. Sitting here, visualizing, traveling there, this place, that place. No, that is visualization. It is different. What we are doing is just sitting, observing your breath, trying to be in silence, emptying the mind. Okay. So, friends, so this is about some info on meditation today. So let us sit in meditation now. Okay, shall we sit? Okay. So I don't see you people. If you on the camera, it will be good. Otherwise, if you not on the camera, I see only myself. Okay. If you are there, I feel okay, somebody is there to listen to me. Okay, sit in a comfortable posture, friends. Okay, make yourself comfortable. So when you're getting ready, like what I was doing initially, I can remember. It is like driving a car or flying somewhere. So I will get ready and sit, okay, adjust for few seconds and sitting and trying to not move first of all, just sitting. I feel that it's a traveling. Meditation is travel. Okay, my breath is a vehicle. I'm going to start observing the breath, then start going inside, going inside. It's a travel, it's a journey. Meditation is a journey. The objective of meditation is silencing the mind, emptying the mind. Remember that. Emptying the mind. That is the meditation. No thinking. If any thoughts comes, ignore your thoughts. Again it comes, friends, after 5 seconds. Okay, Baba, I will think later. This time is for meditation. You have to tune like that. Again thoughts comes. Ignore. It will be there sometime. It's okay. So after meditation, you can think how much you want to think. Okay? Train your mind. It's in your hand. You can able to train. Okay, sit in a comfortable posture. Today we are not going to do any breathing exercises. Just we are going to do meditation. Okay? If you are wearing any glasses, remove your glasses, friends. And close your eyes. Just relax. We're all here for relaxation. Okay? Please close your eyes, friends. Never open your eyes until I say okay. Nothing going to be happen. You don't open your eyes. Next 30 minutes. Don't open. Let's see what happens. So sit in a comfortable posture. Cross your both hands, fingers, cross your legs, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, relax. Just be here and now. I'm going to play the music. Just relax, my dear friends. Cross your both hands, fingers. Close your eyes. Just relax. complete relaxation. Deep relaxation. Your body is going into deep relaxation. Every cell in your body, every corner of your body is going into complete relaxation. Just observe your natural breathing. Incoming and outgoing breath. Just witness the breath. Normal breathing. The natural breathing. Don't put any efforts on your breathing. Just witness it. If your mind is wandering here and there, bring back to the present moment. And stay here with your breath. train your mind to be here in this present moment. The present moment is here with your breath. Your breath is your God. Your breath is your master. Your breath is everything. Just stay with your breath. Last 2 minutes. Just be with your breath. Keep your both hands, fingers on your eyes. And gently open your eyes. Welcome back, friends. Today we have done 30 minutes of meditation. If anybody would like to share your experiences, I would like to ask any question, you can start now. No questions? Okay. Okay, friends, thank you. Thank you. Yes. Dr. Krishnan, yes, please unmute. Unmute, ma'am, please unmute.
Yes, good morning.
Yeah,
I am
good
Krishna
morning.
Bhatta from
Yeah.
Bangladesh. Today
Yes.
I feel that whenever I first doing the meditation, closing the eye, that time my uh, right nose already blocked.
Mm.
Then the left only I taking the breath and out. And sometimes I feel some noise also like this. And whenever I listen the music, music is the rhythm of thinking. Whenever I take the bath, it's depend on music. Music is slow, my bath is slow, like this. And another thing, last moment, I block my left nose also, and some means water, something is outing. Uh, and whenever I close the eye, it was normal.
Mm. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your class. I
Yeah.
feel very comfortable, and I think when I was in Pune University, I studied my PhD at Pune University. That
Yeah.
time my age was 25. Now I am over 50. That time I had done the meditation, but slowly I forgot all things. That's why whenever I got your message from Facebook, that time I feel that I will do it again. I am the older than all of them. I think so. But after that also I encourage I feel better myself that I will do this course.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And I remember also my life 25 years back. That
Yes.
time I did meditation. It's tough, but after that I forgot little bit. I remember to this class only I doing for remembering, and again I will do my next whatever God is given my
Yes. Thank
path
you.
in that time in the world.
Thank you.
I'll
Thank
do
you.
this thing. Okay,
Thank
thank
you
you.
very
I
much.
feel
Thank
very
you.
comfortable.
Yeah. Yes. So, friends, music helps during meditation. So, you should not change your breathing based on the music. It's a normal breathing. Okay. So, music will be the background. Okay. Normal breathing, and it goes inside, comes out. Just be with your breath. That's all. So, don't change your breathing. That depends on the music or okay. So, just be with your normal breathing. Okay. Yes. Yes. That's why today's first time, next time we'll share. Okay. Yes, so everything we can achieve just by practicing. Okay, just practice. Practice makes man perfect. So without practice, we cannot say anything. So with practice, with dedication, so you can achieve anything. Okay. So thank you, friends. Thank you. Thank you very much. And see you tomorrow. Thank you. Yes. Have a great day.